What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Big E with Big E TV, and you already know, man. I told y'all we getting ready to head to Hazelhurst, Mississippi. We getting ready to go to this truck show for this benefit for Mr. Glenn Hyde. We hope to get some good footage. I hope there's a lot of trucks there. Like I said, hey, we gonna have a good time. We got the family with me. You know what I'm saying? Show them the crew. My wife running the camera today. Tell them what's up, y'all.
What's up?
Yeah, that's the Fantastic Fridays, you know. But we getting ready to hit this highway. We got about an hour drive, so we're gonna let this 6'2" do what it do, and we're gonna get back with y'all. Peace.
Roads.
I've been on these roads. I long on these roads.
He said he know all these roads.
Take you straight to Hazelhurst.
It'd be funny. I come back to y'all and let y'all know. Look,
You ain't gonna come back to them, cause I
done
know these roads.
got stuck somewhere.
Man, one thing about a log truck driver, we know the back road.
He say he know.
Especially when we done log, don't it?
Look, y'all, this one here, he swear he know it all.
No, I don't.
Look, he know it all.
I don't know it all, but I know a lot.
He gonna know
and
everything.
I know we ain't finna get lost. Come on. I know that much.
He think he know it all. I can't tell him nothing.
Show you right.
Look at him. I can't tell him nothing. It's all right.
I hope they got some nice rigs out here. See what they buy over here in Hazelhurst. Y'all go and get the channel monetized. We can go and get that black Freightliner back and put some paint on it and start taking it to shows. But in order to do that, you got to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Come on.
Y'all go and run it up. Run it up.
Run it up.
Don't be stingy with your likes either.
I want to build a nice show truck. I can't look at y'all. I got the drizzle eyes. Talk to him, Ian. Talk to him, Ian. Talk to your people, Ian.
Hi.
Lord. Hey, my people. Hey, we back with Big E, man. Hey, we ain't there yet. We about 40 minutes away, y'all. But I just wanted to tell y'all, man, I really appreciate y'all for all the likes, the shares, all my new subscribers. Hey, what up, man? This is your boy Big E. Hey, this is what we do, man. Hey, I just want to let y'all know, man, I love y'all and I appreciate y'all, man. I really do. Hey, we almost to 1,000. I looked this morning, we had 805 subscribers. We need that 1,000 so we can get this channel monetized. Look, we've been at it for over what, about a year or two now. Hey, I think it's time that this channel get monetized. but I can't do it without y'all.
That's right.
So I need y'all to hit that subscribe button, especially for the one that's watching the videos that ain't subscribed. What you looking for? What you looking at the video for if you ain't gonna subscribe to the channel?
They're just sad.
Yeah, that's just sad. That's just pitiful. Hey, but anyway, man, hey, do your boy that favor, man. Hit that subscribe button, hit that bell, so you can know when I upload, so you won't miss a video. Hey, we gonna get back with y'all. Peace. To the airport script at the truck show. We're getting ready to pull up to the gate to pay. Can't really see if anybody's here right now, but it started at 1 and it's 3 o'clock, so hopefully it's a good turnout, you know. I see some nice rigs, y'all. Look over there. Oh yeah, I see T-Wayne truck already. I see them log truck with them pole trailers behind them. Them jack-ups.
Man, we been falling out that man the whole time.
At the truck show, as you can see, they got some nice trucks. Looks like they got a lot of log trucks too. So I'm excited about that. But we're gonna get y'all some footage when we get back up close. And peace out.
I wish she was still straight up.
Radiator hose. That's the first trouble she's getting.
I ain't gonna lie to you. I ain't never been much of a Mac person up until I started with the company and I drove a. That's a nice truck, y'all. For a hot minute, pulling all their equipment. Now I don't know, something about them old Macs, the way they look, they like the old Peterbilts. That's right. All right, folks, I'm gonna go find something cool to drink. I appreciate you. We got the snowball.
It's about there.
Where y'all want to sit? You know that. You need.
Ooh, I love like that.
You like this one? You like that?
Nobody, no la la, sit down. That's a basketball player. They go.
What's up?
That man, they're fine. there slow. Or then went over 100 miles. You see the people out there?
I like that one.
I don't want to be in the video.
That's what you want to do.
Turn around. It's cool.
That's nice. I like it. They got bass on it? Yeah. Tell him how much you like the truck. He don't want to talk, y'all. He's shy. But here's the truck. 2022 Kenworth. Nice truck.
Is that a YouTube channel?
Nice.
Y'all got a YouTube channel?
Uh-huh.
Where's it?